Them 3 farmer bitter bush there. When you boil them, no bitter medicine. But you can think about yourself bitter like them 3 bush there. And then cure everything in your body.
Just wipe it out.
So wash out everything in your body. Let me tell you about something bitter, you know. Bitter wood, rice bitters, old man bitters. And the vanilla dangerous one if you put with it, you can't drink it.
It kill
You
you.
can't drink it too much.
It kill you.
It can wash your liver too much. Grapefruit, bitter grape.
Okay.
I'm tell you how to do them now. Cut up the bitter grape. Just cut it up, and peel it. Just wash it and cut it up. That's the bitter grape. And a piece of the bitter wood. And some of the rice bitters and some of the old man bitters. And boil it. It's a double bitters. And no that thing bitters like that. And I would mind get some of the old man bitters to carry home.
That's good for what?
Every little thing we can think of. But you even eat the food and the food is not right. And you boil the fat and drink. You can bath yourself in it, you know.
Woman bitters?
The old man bitters. You can boil it and bathe in it.
When you have fever, what them use?
Well, so many things. So many things in the bush that good for fever. I mean the bush that is good for fever. But I was saying the same if you know the single Bible. It's very good for fever, you know. Let's put up the single Bible in some warm water. And boil it, put it in some warm water and then you can wash the skin all over. You don't have a fever. Fever is stay with you. That's what I do my boy them. I don't have a fever, you know. It's too safe. You tell me to want to have a patient.
Are you also a midwife?
When I feel to do it. I mean, I got this girl and when she take it if you have baby the Christmas Eve, I was to do it. And that time I'm back to me use. Time.
Time and buckle? How it work?
I boil the time see and give her.